Hair is everything. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm one of the hair trainers at the Masters. So outside of the Masters, I work in a salon doing hair, and I also freelance doing hair and makeup. I've been in the industry for a long time, probably 16, 17 years. The past year with the hair students has been so much fun. So highlights for this year for the hair students has probably been looking forward to awards night, seeing how excited they've got to plan their photo shoots, to work on their photo shoots, to prep ideas, and just see that really evolve and come to life. I inspire my students by always being enthusiastic, along with my great selection of stationery that they tease me for, but just reminding them that I never stop learning as well. It doesn't matter how long you've been in the industry, we have all got something to teach each other. I love my job because I get to work with people every single day. I get to transform people in terms of their look and make them come out of their shell. And I love working with students because I love seeing them progress and learn and develop their skills. One sentence to describe the Masters would be a revolving door of education and inspiration. Students graduating from the Masters, I want them to, one, remember their trainers, but also to remember that your journey doesn't stop here. We will always be learning. Our industry is ever evolving and things are ever changing, and education is key.